Engineering Drawing of the Engine Assembly. Lecturer, Yi-Cheng Bao. Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will continue our study of engineering drawing of engine assembly. Assembly Engineering Drawing. 1. It is an important technical document in production, which mainly expresses the structure, shape and assembly of machines or parts relationship, working principle. 2. It is an important basis for installation, debugging and operation. 3. Assemble, debug and inspect products according to assembly drawing. Engine assembly engineering drawing consists of view, detailed list, symbols, and assembly dimensions. Design schemes such as below. 1. Create view. Create a section view and a basic view. 2. Create a list. By setting material attributes, the function of generating a list of parts is constructed. 3. Symbol labeling. It is constructed by automatic symbol labeling and assembly serial number sorting command. 4. Assembly dimension marking. Mark the total length, width and height of the assembly body and related matching dimensions. Next, let's open UG software. Through hands-on practice, complete the design task of engine assembly engineering drawing. Click to open the diagram file. Click on New. Select the drawing. Reference to an existing part. Choose the appropriate drawing size. Choose A2 here. Click on OK. After entering the drawing interface, change the background color to white. At the same time, check all layers in the format. Next, create the view. Click on OK. Adjust the part position and projection relationship according to the drawing. Click on OK. First, let's drag in the drawings. Then delete the unnecessary main view first. Then create a full section view. Modify the text as well. So all the views are created. Next is the creation of the list. Before creating the details, you need to set the material properties of the part. Select all parts. Right-click Properties. Then find the Material column. Right-click New Attribute. The title is Materials. OK. Then in the Material column, fill in the materials used for each part. For example, Model 3 is made of 45 steel. Model 4 uses Q235. And so on. Fill in all the materials of all parts. Click on OK. Then click the parts list and put it in the lower right corner of the engineering drawing. If it's not aligned, let's just adjust it a little. Double-click. Then change this alignment to the lower right corner and close. Then drag it to be flush with the lower right corner. At this time, we found that there is no material property that we just added. So you need to select the part name column here. Then right-click and select the column. Then right-click again. Insert a column on the right. Then select the column you just inserted. Right-click to select a column. Right-click Settings. Link the attribute name to the material attribute we just created. Click on OK, and then Close. At this time, you can see the part material number added in the attribute material has been synchronized to this part list. Then double-click the last line. Change the English name into the corresponding Chinese. Then change it to serial number here. Change the name here. Change here to quantity. For example, this part can be modified to Guangxi Technological College of Machinery and Electricity. We have created the list column. The next step is to create a symbolic annotation. Click on Automatic Symbol Labeling. Select the list column. Click on OK. Select Full Section View. Click on OK. At this time, we can see that the symbols are very chaotic, so adjust the position of this part first. Click the Assembly Sequence Sort button, then select the initial assembly serial number, and find the Part 1. There is no Part 1 on this drawing, so we click on Part 2. Click on OK. It then sorts and aligns automatically. After sorting alignment is completed, we also need to adjust the placement of serial numbers. Let's just adjust it a little, because some serial numbers overlap. After the adjustment, we found that there is an extra bracket in the column of serial number in the schedule. Select all this column. Right-click to select a column. Right-click again. Click on Settings. Change the label to regular. The serial number is missing, and then change it to a label. Serial numbers are back to normal. Click Close. Next, let's take a look at it again. There are still a few parts here that are not labeled. It's ranked 19 here. So there are 3 more parts. Parts 20, 21, and 22 are not marked. Let's see which 3 parts are. Go back to the modeling module first. Find out which 3 parts are these. The first is 13. 13 is the pick. Then 14 is the nut. Then 19 is these 6 screws. Go back to the mapping module. We can put these 3 serial numbers. Mark on top view. Select Symbol Annotation. Select Inherit here. Select Termination Object. The serial number is 20. And then 21. 21 is a nut. Also choose Inherit here. Select Termination Object. 22 is a screw. Close. Then 20, 21, and 22 are all marked. After the symbols are marked. Then the marking of basic dimensions. First of all, it is necessary to mark the total length, width, and height of the parts. We can mark the total length on the top view. The total width can be marked on the left view. Resize it. Then mark the total height on the left view. Then, the matching dimensions are marked on the parts with mutual matching. For example, a fit between a spindle and a bearing. The fit between the outer side of bearing and the box hole can be made of base hole. Transition fit H7 or G6 can be selected as the fit type. And so on. Mark the matching dimensions of other parts with mutual matching. At this point, the engine assembly engineering drawing has been drawn. Have you learned the engineering drawing of engine assembly? Please answer the following questions.